Hey guys, how's it going? How to create blog with Elementor. Creating a blog with Elementor involves setting up a WordPress site, installing in the Elementor plugin, and designing your blog pages. So after you've added the plugin or the Elementor plugin to your WordPress, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and set up the blog layout with Elementor. Set the blog page as your post page. Go to the settings and reading, and under the home page display, set your home page to the page that you created, e.g. home, and set the post page to the blog page that you created, and then click save changes, and you can customize the blog page layout. And you can navigate to the templates and theme builder, and then click add new or select archive to create a new blog archive template, and then choose a pro design template or start from scratch, and then use widgets like post archive or post title or post excerpt to design your blog layouts, and then click publish to set the display conditions to include your blog page. And if you want to create individual blog posts, add the new blog post by clicking go into the post and then add new, and then add a title and content for your post. Click edit with the Elementor to design your post using Elementor's widgets and a styling option, and then click the green publish button to publish your post, and you can design your single post template. Navigate to the templates and theme builder, and then click add new and select the single post, and choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch, and then use widgets like post title, post content, and post info, and post navigation to design your single post layout, and then click publish to set the display condition to include all posts. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.